Water. A gift that our kingdom has always treasured, that we now take for granted. Not so long ago, the lives of our forefathers depended on it. They searched it out, learned to preserve it, savored it, cherished it, built their lives around it. Yesterday, every drop mattered. But today, we waste over 100 liters of water every time we hand wash our dishes. Enough! Use a dishwasher. It uses 90% less water than hand washing. Will you keep our legacy alive? Will you preserve our greatest gift? For the generations to come. For the future.
Promise?